First, power on your Check Set Calibrator or Check Set Calibrator data logger and select a temperature set point. Once the device is ready, indicated by the green bar on the bottom of the screen, insert your dial or digital thermometer. If your thermometer reads your given set point, then you're in calibration. If the reading is off, this means you need to make an adjustment. The Check Set data logger makes this easy. Simply fill out the on-screen form. If you're using a dial thermometer with a reset nut, the Check Set's notches allow you to make a fast adjustment. No more fumbling with pliers. If you're using a digital thermometer, follow the reset instructions on your specific model. Now you have a verified thermometer ready to use as well as audit-ready records. This process is much more simple than what you may be used to. This is because the Check Set is designed specifically to streamline thermometer verification where accuracy, compliance, and traceability are non-negotiable.